Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Goyal. Currently, I'm pursuing my MBA from IIM Ranchi. I scored 97.89 percentile in CAT 2020. So, इस attempt से पहले I gave two more attempts in CAT 2018 and 2019. So दोनों ही attempts में मेरे percentile were around 60 to 80, below 80 percentile. And when I was preparing for CAT 2020, उस time पे भी my mock percentile were not very good. During actually in September, I was scoring around 40, 30, 50 percentile. So that is also very disheartening at that point. But what helped me during that process and that I want to convey to you all is not to give up. अगर आपने गिव अप कर दिया तो आप अपने गोल तक वैसे भी नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. The only way you can reach to your goal is to keep trying. For me, even in CAT 2018, the bad score in CAT 2018-19 didn't stop me from pursuing this dream that I had, the vision that I had. So I wanted to become an MBA to reach to a certain level, and uske liye my vision was like not to give up. And at this point, a lot of you might be feeling that way. जब अच्छा score नहीं आ रहा होगा या फिर considering your profile that you have. Uh, just one thing, do not give up. Keep trying. There's going to be good days, there are going to be bad days, but you have to aim towards that goal, और उसके लिए you have to keep on trying. So that is there. For the preparation of CAT 2020, I'll tell you what helped me the most was the advanced workshop that StudyBus does. Usme, sir used to do this basic, medium, advanced question by question, topic by topic. So that was a 30, 60, and 90-second rule, giving 30 seconds to the easy and like that. So that helped me a lot. So I understood what to do and what not to do, and how much time to devote to a particular question. Consider looking at the question type. So वो चीज बहुत helpful है. Considering CAT में हमारा major pressure is on the time factor, and वो चीज when you appear for so many questions during that workshop time, that helped me a lot. And apart from that, I would really suggest you all to keep giving as many mocks as you can, because mocks देना बहुत जरूरी है to understand the real pressure that is going to be there while you will be appearing for the CAT. उसके लिए कितना प्रिपरेशन चाहिए, कितना टाइम डिवोशन चाहिए, हर एक सेक्शन में किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन पहले अटेम्प्ट करना है, किस टाइप का बाद में करना है, यू विल इवेंचुअली गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट आफ्टर गिविंग अ लॉट ऑफ मॉक अटेम्प्ट्स. So do not skip your mock attempts. Give as many mocks as you can. I personally was giving around one mock every day before like 1 month before the exam. So that was my strategy. So just one message to all of you: to not give up and give as many mock attempts as you can, and join this workshop. It will help you guys a lot, because this workshop particularly helped me a lot when I was giving my CAT. So good luck to all of you.